Next is the oxidation state displayed by cobalt. Cobalt occurs in combination with sulfur and arsenic. The chief ore of cobalt is spice cobalt with this formula. The metal is extracted from the ore by first roasting the ore spiced with sodium chloride in a reverberatory furnace. In this process, sulfur and arsenic impurities are driven off while metal are converted into its chloride. Cobalt is precipitated as cobalt 3 hydroxide from the solution of the chloride of cobalt and nickel on addition of lime and bleaching powder. Nickel remains in solution and is precipitated by the addition of sodium carbonate as basic carbonate. The cobalt 3 hydroxide thus obtained is heating to get cobalt tetraoxide, which is finally reduced with charcoal at 2000 degrees Celsius to recover the cobalt metal. In this case, trace of nickel in the ore can be removed as volatile nickel tetracarbonyl by reacting the nickel metal with carbon monoxide at 50 degrees Celsius. Binary compounds of cobalt. These are the oxides in oxidation state 2, 3 and 4, and these are the miscellaneous, and these are the fluorite in oxidation state 2 and 3, and these are the halide in oxidation state 3. The electronic configuration of cobalt is 3d7 and 4s2, and this one is the oxidation state energy diagram for cobalt. So let us start with the oxidation state 2 of cobalt. It will having 7 electron in 3d orbitals. The cobalt 2 positive is most common oxidation state in simple compound and cobalt 3 positive in case of complexes. Cobalt 2 plus salt are stable. Cobalt 2 oxide, sulfide and halide are well known. Pink or red hydrated cobalt salt of common anions are known. Anhydrous cobalt salt are blue on addition of base to cobalt 2 solution. Blue cobalt 2 hydroxide is precipitated. The blue precipitate dissolve in alkali to give deep blue complex with this formula, which precipitate as sodium or barium salt. Cobalt 2 oxide. Olive green cobalt oxide is best obtained by thermal decomposition of the insoluble carbonate or of the nitrate or cobalt hydroxide in the absence of air. It has a sodium chloride structure. When treated in air at 500 degrees Celsius, it gives black cobalt tetroxide, a normal spinel containing cobalt 2 plus in tetrahedral and cobalt 3 plus in octahedral forms. The sparingly soluble hydroxide is blue when freshly prepared by adding sodium hydroxide to a solution containing cobalt 2 plus, but it turns pink on standing for the longer time. Next is the cobalt difluoride. It is pink color and ionic in nature with rutile structure. It is made by dissolving cobalt dichloride in anhydrous hydrogen fluoride at 300 degrees Celsius. It is primarily soluble in water but dissolved in solution, forming cobalt tetrafluoride complex. Anhydrous cobalt chloride, which is blue in color, and cobalt dibromide, which is green in color, are made by heating elements. Anhydrous cobalt diiodide is blue black and is made by heating metal with iodine. These are covalent solid with layer lattice structure in which cobalt with 6 halide is octahedral. Cobalt dichloride is used to detect water. Hydrated cobalt dichloride with 6 water molecule is pink colored and contains octahedral complex with this formula having 6 water ligand. If this is partially dehydrated by heating, then blue colored tetrahedral complex with 4 water ligand are formed. Addition of water produce the reverse change. So it is the interchange of these two complexes. With 6 ligand it will having pink coloration, and with 4 water ligand it will having blue colorations. Addition of chloride ion to pink solution of aqua ion give tetrahedral ion. The large monodentate ligand such as chloride, bromide, iodide, hydroxyl and thiocyanide commonly form tetrahedral complexes with cobalt 2 plus. So it is all about the 2 positive oxidation state of cobalt.